Task 31 is to teach kids the name, naam,
U V W
and sound, आवाज.
A V V
Of these letters. See, this is big U, bada.
U
See, this is small u, chota.
U
Now you make in soil. Make big U, bada.
U
You can also make in salt or in flour powder. Now you make small u, chota.
U
Very good.
What sound does U make?
आवाज.
A A umbrella. A umbrella. हम हर अक्षर की आवाज़ क्यों सीख रहे हैं? क्योंकि जब हम इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं या बोलते हैं, हम सब अक्षरों की आवाज़ जोड़कर शब्द पढ़ते हैं। बच्चों को हर अक्षर का नाम और हर अक्षर की आवाज़ सिखाना है।
See, this is big V, bada.
V
See, this is small v, chota.
V
Now you make in soil. Make big V, bada.
V
Now you make small v, chota.
V
Very good.
What sound does V make?
आवाज.
V van. Van.
See, this is big W, bada.
W
See, this is small w, chota.
W
Now you make in soil. Make big W, bada.
W
Now you make small w, chota.
W
Very good.
What sound does W make?
आवाज.
V watermelon. Watermelon.
Please try and show the objects we are showing to kids while learning letters. You can show them the objects at the marketplace as well. If it is not possible to show, then please show our videos.
Now, let's play a game with kids. We will play jumping and running games with kids. Please draw lines with chalk and write the letters inside the lines. You can make this inside or outside your house. When you call out the letter, kids have to jump over that line. You can also write the letters on the wall. When you call out the letter, kids have to run and go, touch that letter with their hand, and come back. Jump over letter.
Big U.
Very good.
Jump over letter.
Small v.
Very good.
Run, touch letter,
Small v.
and come back.
Very good.
When kids learn letters, they will get confused. At first, they will write wrongly or mix letters up many times. Whenever they tell you wrongly, it is normal. Because they are learning so much, so many new things, for the first time. Please keep correcting them lovingly and one day they will learn the right letter.
Please sit with kids when they are learning and keep an eye on them at all times. They should not eat mud or chalk.
Kids may take time to learn letters. Please take your time. Please teach one letter every 2 to 3 days. At first, kids will write a little with salt, flour powder or soil. That's okay. Teach them to write slowly, at their pace. Please listen carefully. Please do not put pressure on your kids to learn. Please give them lots of love and encouragement and let them enjoy learning at their own pace. Thank you.